What's going on, everybody? We are in Indiana in the middle of a crazy snowstorm. Well, we got like 6 inches, I'd say 5-6 inches. And look how much it's still snowing, guys.
Let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go.
There's no way I'm not gonna bust out the camera and get a video made of this. So this will be, honestly, my first time since...
I literally told Mom that this morning. You never had that discussion with me, and I told her.
Since 1998, when my papa passed away and we came up here, it snowed real big like this. And I think at that time, I think we got like 12 or 13 inches, somewhere between 10 and 15 inches. They're saying on this one, if we get the amount they're saying, we'd get up to like 24 inches of snow. So.
I don't know about that. I don't
No,
know.
that's what they were saying.
Really?
Yeah, 20 to 24 inches if it gets the extreme of what they're looking at.
And they're not gonna. Which side do we go?
Over here.
I don't want them to have to hit their brakes. Shut up.
No, he waved.
Oh.
God, see how rude she is, guys? Jimmy crickets. She's too much of a meanie just to look and see if he waved, and then she's calling him a meanie because she thought he didn't.
I didn't see him wave. I was looking at him though.
So what we're doing right now is walking to the grocery store, which is about, I don't know,
blocks.
approximately 3 blocks.
No,
She
it's
keeps
not.
saying 2, but it's 3.
No, it's not.
We'll see about that. See, that's what I want to get the Lexus and do right there.
What?
Look at that parking lot.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Tara's the only vehicle we got, you moron.
She won't let me drive, guys.
No.
She won't let me drive,
We're
and
not
I
driving.
want to drive. And I want to go sledding. She won't even go sledding with me. I need my nephew right now.
You're lucky I'm doing this with you.
I need my nephew. Bennett, where are you, bro?
Bennett!
Eskimo Sam! Eskimo Sam! It's really not that cold, believe it or not.
I know, it really.
It's not right nail biting, bone biting, freezing.
Tonight it will be though.
It will tonight, but I don't know, it's different. Because I guarantee if it was snowing like this in Oklahoma, you would be freezing. Like literally probably wouldn't be able to go
That
outside.
would be ice in Oklahoma.
It's not bad. I love it. Like I said, I'm not used to this. I'm an Okie. I'm used to ice storms, but I love it. I have experienced it before, like I said, though. This is like my second home. Has been even long before I knew Samantha. Indiana's always been my home away from home. But yeah, isn't it beautiful, guys? I'm gonna switch you over in wide mode so you can see. All right, guys, y'all count it 1 block.
You're right.
What did you just say?
I said 2. No.
What did you just say? No, repeat what you just said.
No, I already said 1.
Repeat what you just said.
Not saying it again.
Say it.
Not saying it
Say
again.
it. She said, you're right. I don't know if I caught it on here,
earlier,
but if I did, I'm gonna replay it right now.
You're right. Tally it up. The first time ever. Number 1.
Well, that's a cool little painting on those dressers.
Oh. It is cool. Is this Tulsa?
Oh, what?
Look at that.
What's Tulsa doing on there?
I don't know. It's pretty cool.
I gotta show you guys. A little painting on these, and they got Tulsa painted on it. How cool is that? That's kind of crazy. What would be the chances of walking in a snowstorm to the grocery store and see a kid's dresser with a painting and it says Tulsa?
I love some Tulsa.
It's awesome.
Tulsa so much.
I think it just had all the states all over it and cities.
Probably, but still, it was prominent.
Yeah,
Tulsa.
it stood out.
Yeah.
Tulsa. remember where you came from, boy.
Yeah.
Isn't this awesome, guys? I have literally been stoked like a little kid ever since I found out this was headed this way. Cause there for a minute, man, coming into the end of last month and coming into the beginning of this month, I was thinking, dang, man, we ain't even gonna get a winter at all, dude. It's gonna blow right past and we'll see no snow.
It normally hits like January, February, sometimes in March to April.
Yeah.
I wonder if they're open. I see
Well, yeah.
vehicles.
Probably don't have a whole lot on their shelves, but they're open. Save a lot, save a lot, save a lot food store. Okay, so I guess I'm not gonna record in here because Sammy says it. I make people feel weirded out. Huh? Yeah, they're open. Sammy worked from home first time this morning. I Bible studied the whole time from 9 to 1. Not a flex, I just makes me feel good. Getting it. They said it's approximately an inch an hour. 1 inch every hour. It's quite a bit of snow, dude. All right, we're about to go into the grocery store. We could find a cool background. I could take a selfie of us with the GoPro in very wide zoom. So it'll pick everything up behind us. So we got dinner, guys. I'm about to grab from Sammy. We was just talking about that. I handed it to her so I could put my hood on. Said, you want me to hold that? She's like, yeah, I'm sure people walk by and see me carrying the groceries. They're gonna be like, why is you not carrying the groceries?
Exactly.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna give you the view. It is so beautiful, though.
It is.
Love it. The hand of God said, here, calm down.
Everybody just chill
Everybody
out
slow
for a little
down.
bit. Yep.
Calm down. Enjoy life.
Babe, I don't know where to go.
Same
There's
guy.
something coming, babe.
Don't know what to do. I'm new. I don't know what to do.
I didn't know what to do.
Car coming. Sammy's
Step
tripping.
over. Let him through.
Whoop, whoop. He'll get through. Don't trip,
I
man.
don't want to get hit. Here's the slides.
He's got the beast truck, man. That's the neighbor. Huh? Ribbit! Ribbit! If I had that truck, I would be out doing stuff like that.
Yeah.
But see, look, guys, it's not like ice in Oklahoma. See that? He peeled out on it, and it literally just peeled the snow off the top of the
But what happens is whenever the plows go through so many times and they're smashing that stuff down.
Oh yeah, it'll get slick, but it still does not get it. Even at its slickest, you cannot compare
Slick.
to the very first morning of an ice freeze in Oklahoma.
You wouldn't be able to walk out there in
It don't matter how much four-wheel drive you got. It does not matter. Trust me, you are going to be sliding all over the dang place, and it's the most dangerous thing in the world.
It is, and we just walked the same lot. We're not far, thank goodness.
Scottsburg, Indiana is where we are located at the moment. Catching any?
Nah, a little bit.
Oh, see, that's beautiful. The church.
They must have canceled church today too. Mom's church did.
I'm sure most of them probably did, which makes me feel better because,
We were gonna go.
yeah, I was going to go to church
But
this
I
morning.
had to work.
I'm definitely going to church as soon as they're open and everything's cleared out. Come on, we got to get in front of the church, take a picture. Come here.
I'm walking in the track.
You gonna walk in circles?
No.
How beautiful is that, though, guys? Absolutely stunning. Jesus is so good. All right, guys, I'll be back. I'm gonna actually take our selfie with the GoPro on wide zoom. Be back. As a matter of fact, I will show you the exact pictures we just now took right now.
How far down? Okay, so it goes up to my
So about 3.5, 4 inches deep
probably, yep.
right now. So about close to 4 inches right now. And it just started this morning and it's still dumping it out.
It's still coming. And that girl at Save-A-Lot, she said there's supposed to be more coming in tomorrow.
Yeah, there's another round coming because Oklahoma's supposed to get hit with that one. They're actually supposed to get some snow with it.
Like our weather, it comes from north usually. It normally comes from Canada. Like come down that direction.
All right.
Oklahoma, they get their crap from
Mexico.
Right.
The southern border.
Right.
That's why it don't snow.
But normally, whatever they get, we get.
Yeah.
But like in like times like this with the atmosphere changes, which it could be ice there, but it's gonna end up being snow here.
Okay, see, look how good they're rolling. They are just working good. We gotta shovel the stoop.
Left your tire stuff right there on that generator. That generator probably should have been covered up. Why? Yeah, push it back that way.
Are you paying attention to how you're recording?
Yes, do your job.
It's so fluffy.
I know, you can tell.
It is fluff snow. It's super, super fluffy. Like, look, it's hard to even make a snowball. It just wants to fall apart.
That's usually the...
But you can.
Yeah.
See how dangerous that is? You did not see that until I moved the snow over.
What?
It had a layer covering it up. Dog pee. That's why you never get
No, that's where they just peed.
I know, but you couldn't see it until I shoveled it.
I knew it was there because I watched Coco and Zeus pee.
I know you knew it was there, but the snow covered a layer on top of it where you could not see it. You would have not known if you wouldn't have moved. Freaking Zeus.
My favorite time of year. As long as I don't have to get out and get in it like in a vehicle, I'm good.
Yeah.
Can we try to make a little path for Biddy?
Where?
Biddy, like his entire half of his body was buried under the snow.
Where do you want to go?
I'm up for suggestions. Maybe make a path through here so he can pee on the tires without like throwing a gravel everywhere. Yeah, even if you just gotta do it like that, where it's don't go all the way down. Yeah. There you go. Great job. Oh. Easy, man.
There you go. He's got a path to 2 tires. I want to build a snowman.
You can't. Not with that snow. Want to build a snowman? Watch where you step in.
I will before it's said and done. After it kind of starts to melt maybe a little bit, it'll start compacting better. We need to go sledding though.
Deep the snow is on that
Yeah,
table.
see, there you go. That's a good, see? That's how deep the snow is. So it's actually about 4 or 5 inches, like I said. All right, guys, I'll be back in a little bit. I'm gonna go get my hands warmed up. All right, guys, it's a couple days later, and I have got to get the driveway dug out. So, because Sam's gonna have to go to work tomorrow. So let's get this driveway dug out. What do you say? I think I got it where we can get out. Perfection. A lot of work, but we got it. Let's get this little bit of ice off the stoop here. No one slips and falls, and we got a place to bang our feet and get this snow off our shoes. All right, now the final test is sweeping off the car, getting it out of here. So I'm gonna go grab my sweater, go take a rest for a minute, and then we'll sweep off the car. Let's do this. Now, what I'm gonna try to do though is push all the snow into the back of the truck, because Sam is dead set on driving herself to work tomorrow. The more snow in the bed, the heavier the bed's gonna be, get better traction, right? Bed is completely full of snow. You see the tail end tucking? It's gonna help with traction. That's why trucks, you see them spin out so much, because all it has is that bed on it. And when it's empty, it's super light, so it slides real easily. The more weight you got back here, the more control it's gonna get. And by the time it melts away, the streets will be cleared by then, so. I think we're ready to roll. I wanna take it to the store real quick, give her a test drive. All right guys, here we go. The test of all tests. Let's see if we get this thing out of here. Surely it will. I was kind of quiet as a kid growing up. And with these, we did a good job, y'all. Let's see. I was kind of quiet as a kid growing up. I was kind of quiet as a kid growing up. That window's frozen. See, the roads ain't bad. I'm telling you, if it snowed like this in my hometown, Jesus, dude, these roads would be horrible for a month. Never taken care of. Alright guys, I love you. We'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, I'm going to attempt something. I want to play in the snow, man. I've been wanting to, and I knew I wanted to before it even started snowing, but I don't have no one to play with, man. Sammy won't go outside and play with me. I need my nephew or my daughter or someone here who will play in the snow with me. It's alright, I'm going to play by myself. So I got an idea. I'm going to try something in the back of this trailer. I think some snow just slid off a building or somewhere, and it was very loud. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna do, but check it out. Let's see if it works. This right here is the staple proof. A kid that grew up in the 80s and 90s. This kind of stuff to play when I was a kid. Whoa! You know what I'm saying? I didn't have these opportunities very many times. Maybe go sledding. We went sledding a lot. And we made some snowman. But snow like this, maybe the third time. I'm thinking it's probably only the second time in my entire 41 years that I've ever been in a 12-inch snowstorm. Who wants to grow up, dude? You know? see the reveal. Dun, 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 dun. Could be a couple spots touched up, but if it stays freezing, I may come out here later and touch it up and detail it a little better. All right, guys, I think we're going to end the video there after we're done the KC. And yeah, I may get started on another one. Who knows? This snow is so much fun. Man, I wish I grew up with a place that done this in the wintertime. Seriously, because this is absolutely, I mean, just imagine all the extra more things you could do to have fun doing, playing in this stuff. If you were 12, 13, 14, 15 doing this and being here right now, dude, it would be like life-changing. You know what I mean? So much fun. But all right, guys, I love you so much. Thanks for hanging out with us. I hope you enjoyed all of our snow that we got going on. We love you. We thank you. We appreciate you so very much. Every one of you are so amazing. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. You all know what to do. Until next time, stay blessed. Peace.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of